Netizens are dragging Ifeoma Ivy on social media over the recent trend that is trending on TikTok she joined. Ifeoma, why did you join the trend? Could it be everything is not well at home? Is it that you are wishing Paul Okoye to buy? These are some of the questions on netizens' lips. Guys, this video is going to entail all, both reactions and the video itself. Listen to these lyrics, to these songs. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think that joining this trend is a good thing for her to do?
Husband is useless, a man must die. Kill your husband, make your life better. If you kill your husband, you no go suffer. You get plenty freedom if you be nobody.
From her facial expression, one can literally understand that she is very, very shocked at the lyrics of that song. Now, this person again is a TikToker. She's popular on TikTok. Tina. She even vibed to this song. Apparently, she's no longer in her husband's house. She's divorced. My big question is, even if she's now divorced, why would she vibe to that song? E no work be say e no work. Anyways, these are how people reacted and chastised Ifeoma Ivy. Shawarma Girl said, "You must not vibe to every trending sound as a smart Igbo girl. It doesn't matter the race, it doesn't matter the tribe. What is not good is not good." So how is a cruise? From her facial expression, like I said before, she no dey in support of that song. But una know say social medium, how social media works, everybody bam bam, they don't they fly with their own narratives. Now wetin they won't believe, now they will believe. You can't tell them nada. So I think I concur with this comment here. Not every vibe or every trending song she's supposed to vibe to. It is well, oh. Say another person, you must not vibe to all sounds. Just pray nothing happens to Rude Boy this period. Ha. Another person said, for her to use this kind of sound, hand don't dey meet am. Yeah. Somebody else said, is depression, nothing much, she will be fine. She just gave birth. Is everything okay in your marriage? We are here for you, dear. This message is for you, my dear sister. Let your husband know by though. Make them no use this video as evidence for court. If anything happens tomorrow, this sound can be used against you. Don't use every sound you hear. Then this guy said, if I hear this sound from my house, either she leave or I leave. Why the hate comment? She didn't support it. She was surprised too. Nollywood gets song for every scene. On I know they watch Nollywood. That's the problem. That is the problem. Exactly what I said before. That people will always believe what they want to believe. They will always fly with their own narrative. They don't care. They don't care about your motive behind your actions, your inactions. They don't care. Which is why we need to be very, very careful, especially as a celebrity, as a woman, as a man, because anything can happen. And when it happens in the course of investigation, they will dig deep. And what you think was a cruise will automatically become a problem for you in the nearest future. You get mind, play this song, even if na cruise. Make nothing do our musician sha, because now you we go hold. Why is the search bar showing widow CULT song? This particular gist, I've been trying so hard to avoid it, like to avoid saying a jack, but the video is captivating. Now, so they draw me, madam. You must talk. Now, premier, we dey talk about. Oh. So last 3 days, there was this movie premiere, The Waiter, and the movie is AY's movie. This particular video started flying around on social media, people with their different narratives, nothing, no name where they never call Queen May, no name where they never call May Edochie. Ah, okay, let me walk you through the reactions, some of the reactions among so many reactions on social media, guys. This person said, Biko, Queen, take it on us now. We are human beings too. This gorgeousness is too much. The gown is gowing, like he's really gowing. My queen and more. Massive tagging. Oh wow, beautiful is an understatement. You look divine, absolutely stunning. You are not Queen May for nothing. God continue to bless you, uplift you, and protect you and your children. Keep the fire burning. This particular statement, why are the men angry? I thought we all agreed to be like Judy. I mean, to follow people's husband. So what's changed now? Hey, Judy footstep we go follow. If your marriage tire you, jump and enter another one. Because you see this particular one, I no subscribe to Ram at all. I no subscribe to Ram. But guys, if me and AY they start dating, probably get married in the future. Hmm, hmm. Internet, internet go sokata, he go sokata. But I don't think Queen May will ever go for AY. No, no, I don't think so. You see, when it comes to business, if you want to have a healthy business relationship with whosoever you are dealing or having or handling any business for, do not miss pleasure with business. Queen May is head on. She has said it before, no pleasure, nothing, strictly business. Now, another person said, and you haters are here condemning y'all and Judy, but turn blind eyes to May and AY. Social affairs. You are here shouting, wow, wow, she's breathtaking, like ambulance. Ndiara, Ndiara. Look at this one. I beg. Let me just walk a pass. Then the owner of the page, I mean the handler of May Nation. This page is on Instagram. You can actually go over to Instagram and search for this page. The handler said, I won't block you. I beg. This kind of people, you don't need to block them. Just allow them. Allow them. Let them keep on choking on the gorgeousness. Let them keep on choking. Like this particular news, so many people, they really want choke. It is real. One thing I keep telling people, especially women, the ones that care to listen, is the best revenge you can ever give to that your partner, that your husband that divorced you, knowing fully well that you did your part, you played your part. In fact, you even outplayed your part in your marriage, previous marriage and relationships, is winning. Winning and silence. Don't come and be going back and forth with your partner on social media, be ranting. Quietly and gingerly. If you are done, if you are tired, because just keep to yourself and keep winning. Let your wins be a testament that God indeed is reigning in your life. Yes, so that's just the best way to shut the mouth of haters. Like that your partner that wants you to buy. That's it. This is the best remedy and the best medicine. Guys, congratulations to AY on that wonderful masterpiece of his, that movie, that waiter. No. Is a must watch movie. That being said, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi and Ungwano. Bye.